In this video, we're going to guide you on how to cancel an order on Poshmark. Let's get started. First, navigate to Poshmark.com. Once there, you have several options to log in, such as using Facebook, Google, or Apple. For this guide, we'll use Google. After signing in, go to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and click on My Purchases. Next, find and select the product you wish to cancel. After selecting the purchase, you will see the order status and an option labeled Problem/Order Inquiry. Click on this option and then choose Accidental Purchase. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes, Cancel. Once this is done, your order will be canceled and the money will be automatically refunded to the payment method you used. Please note, you can only cancel an accidental purchase within 3 hours of placing the order. After this 3-hour window, all purchases are considered final, and you won't be able to cancel them through the standard process. If the 3-hour period has passed, your only option is to contact the seller directly and request them to cancel the order. However, once the order has been shipped, it cannot be canceled. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.